This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, June 24th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In Central Alberta Monday, steers 900 plus 396 to 428, 8 to 900 425 to 435, 7 to 800 450 to 502, 6 to 700 507 to 530, 5 to 600 581 to 618, 4 to 500 630 to 681. Heifers 900 plus 350 to 78, 8 to 900 394 to 410, 7 to 800 416 to 441, 6 to 700 457 to 460, 5 to 600 560 to 567. On a light test of the market yesterday in Central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded from $5,100 per pair to $5,550 per pair. Direct cattle sales Monday saw no new trade report. This week's show list has been compiled with volume steady with the previous week. The Fed cattle market is fighting somewhat of an uphill battle as Fed prices have trended lower from June to July in 17 out of the past 25 years. For the week ending June 14th, Western Canadian cow slaughter volumes totaled just over 4,200 head. For the middle of June, this is the smallest slaughter since 2013. To make up for the shortfall in non-fed beef production, overseas beef imports have been strong. In April, Canadian beef imports from New Zealand were the largest since 2015, while beef imports from Brazil were the largest since 2022. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 210 to 235, D3 cows 170 to 210. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought 220 to 256. In the U.S., there is no new trade report. Significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around 233 in the south and 240 in the north. Four-state show list volumes have been reported smaller in the south and larger in the north. Beef cutout values have been impressive, rallying around $15 per hundredweight over the past week. Most of the strength has come from end cuts and trim. National bone cows averaged $293.70 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at $73.30, up 21 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: June 223.27 up 97, August 211.67 up 230, October 209.05 up 195. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.